It's safe to say families are better off when they spend less than they earn. It's usually clear how much a family is earning. However, tracking expenses is difficult. There's so many ways that we spend. We spend through our bank accounts, our credit cards, and through our phones via Venmo and others. Many families pay expenses like health insurance straight out of their paychecks. For my Code in Place final project, I built an application that provides visibility for families to compile, categorize, and track all their expenses. The main challenges for the application are that expense data comes from many sources, the data from each source is arranged differently, and the incoming data is not categorized. Expenses come from many sources. Fortunately, they arrive in electronic files. The application has the user place the expense files in a single directory, and then the code handles it from there. The app uses a Python module called glob that looks at that directory and inserts the file names into a Python list. The main function loops through all those files and processes the expense transactions that each file contains. The next challenge is the files are not uniform. In the file layouts from Provident and Venmo, we see the date and amount fields don't line up at all. We created a Python dictionary that has the source of the file as the key. When the app is processing the Provident checking files, the dictionary tells the app the dates in column 0 and the amounts in column 4. Jeff Langston, my section leader, made a great suggestion for dealing with the categorization challenge. The trick is to do 2 dictionary lookups instead of 1. First, look up the vendor based on the description, and then look up the categories based on the vendor. Once all the expenses are categorized, the application uses the Python pandas module to create a visualization that summarizes the spending by category for each of the last 3 years. Within each year, the length of the red bar directs the viewer's eyes to the categories worthy of the most attention. It's been a great project. Thanks for the opportunity.